A great mixture of two natural ingredients that are known for their individual properties when combined together, the active compound of turmeric, curcumin, and honey with its sweet, nourishing taste, mixes up to produce a truly versatile blend that enriches health. 1. Immune system booster. An immune boosting system. A powerful boost to the immune system comes along with turmeric and honey. Turmeric can boost the immune system as it is known to be an antioxidant, fight free radicals, and prevent oxidative stress. Raw types of honey are also a good source of enzymes and nutrients that enhance immunity. Together, these two can keep a person away from infections and illnesses and are, therefore, beneficial during cold and flu seasons. Consumed regularly, one can look and feel fresher because it would reduce some general aches. 2. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. The combination of turmeric and honey is quite remarkable, with excellent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is the compound found in turmeric that is most associated with its anti-inflammatory effect in inhibiting pathways in the body. It enhances this effect because it also has anti-inflammatory effects. This synergy aids the relief of symptoms from diseases brought about by inflammation such as arthritis. Such action further works in diminishing inflammation at a site but also enables joint health in a greater, all-inclusive capacity that empowers people to adopt more holistic approaches for controlling chronic. 3. Digestion. Honey and turmeric are excellent digestive products that give great digestive benefits. It is a digestive that helps to increase the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fats in the body. Honey is a mild laxative that calms the gastrointestinal tract, reducing the feeling of bloating and acts on gas. It keeps the digestive system healthy with this by improving its smooth operation. This improves the beneficial bacteria in the gut for efficient nutrient absorption and adequate digestion. 4. Cognitive enhancement. Curcumin gets across the blood-brain barrier and has a positive influence on the brain, hence, a cognitive enhancing agent. Curcumin inhibits neuroinflammation and oxidative stress, which are said to have significant roles in neurodegenerative diseases. Honey delivers antioxidants that would otherwise protect the cells of the brain from the damage caused by free radicals. The duo would come out and enhance the memory and concentration of one's person and general cognitive powers. This is helpful while ensuring clarity of the mind in old age. 5. Heart. High consumption of honey and turmerics is required to sustain the heart benefits. Turmerics help maintain the cardiovascular system well through endothelial functions and lower cholesterol in blood vessels. Honey is useful since it provides antioxidants to fight oxidative stress within the bloodstream. Together, they avoid bad blood circulation and possibly reduce the incidence of developing heart disease. In this respect, it is a component of the diet that focuses on healthy cardiovascular wellness. 6. Weight management. Add honey mixed with turmeric to help lose that unwanted weight. It enhances the burning rate of the body towards fats, thereby increasing its metabolic process. Honey is also sweeter in taste. It is not a refined sugar product, yet they have a very low glycemic index. In them, it can easily assuage that sweet craving with not allowing energy to diminish. Together, both move toward an unbalanced diet that controls hunger and achieves healthier weight loss. 7. Joint relief formula. The soothing effects of turmeric combined with honey can be used to treat joint pain. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and pain associated with conditions such as arthritis. And honey is added for its extra anti-inflammatory effects and natural soothing properties. This is one of the most common combinations used in natural remedies that are designed to improve the mobility and comfort of the joints, so it is excellent for people suffering from chronic joint problems.